Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Forget scooters and clunky e-bikes, the future of personal mobility is lean, smart, and undeniably cool. We're talking about electric unicycles, or EUCs, and in 2025, the game has leveled up. If you're looking to ditch traffic, embrace cutting-edge tech, and experience a ride like no other, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the ultimate 2025 electric unicycle buyer's guide to help you find your perfect smart cycle. So why are smart unicycles becoming so relevant right now? In 2025, urban landscapes are more crowded than ever. Parking is a nightmare, and the push for sustainable transportation is stronger. EUCs offer a compelling solution. They're compact for storage and navigation in tight spaces, electric for eco-conscious travel, and packed with smart features that enhance safety and the riding experience. Plus, let's be honest, they're incredibly fun. We'll cover how they can realistically fit into your life, from daily commutes to weekend adventures. Before we jump into specific models, let's break down the tech that makes these one-wheeled wonders so intelligent. In 2025, smart goes beyond just being electric. We're talking about sophisticated self-balancing algorithms, powerful and efficient battery technology offering impressive range, integrated lighting systems for enhanced visibility, Bluetooth connectivity for companion apps that provide ride data, customization options, and even safety features like tilt back and speed alerts. Understanding these core technologies is crucial to making an informed decision. Now let's get down to what really matters, choosing the right EUC for you. Here are the key factors you need to consider in 2025. Think about your typical usage. Commute distance, recreational rides. Look for models with battery capacities that comfortably meet your needs. Consider fast charging capabilities as well. Performance matters. Higher wattage motors offer more torque for hills and acceleration. Top speeds vary, but always prioritize safety and local regulations. Smaller wheels are generally more agile for tight turns, while larger wheels offer more stability at higher speeds and better handling on uneven surfaces. Consider your primary riding environment. Explore the companion apps. What data do they provide? What customization options are available? Look for features like ride logging, safety alerts, firmware update. Safety feature is a paramount. Ensure the model you're considering has reliable tilt-back mechanisms, audible speed warnings, and good lighting systems. Consider protective gear as well. All right, you now know what to look for. So, who are the leading players in the 2025 electric unicycle market? Based on innovation, reliability, and community feedback, here are some top brands to consider. InMotion. It is known for their sleek designs, user-friendly apps, and a good balance of performance and portability. Their InMotion V14 stands out for its exclusive, custom progressive suspension. It can effortlessly conquer 50-degree inclines with 850 N of wheel tractive force. Moreover, integrates C40 magnetic steel motor that provides 9,000 watts peak power. That's not all. Significantly, it supports 75 miles of range and fast charging. This definitely suits to those who are born to adventure. The overall rating for this brand is 5-star. Don't forget to check the InMotion official link in the description below to avail an exclusive offer. Song. It is a powerhouse in the EUC world, often praised for their powerful motors, long range, and robust build quality. Ridally, riders from all different walks of EUC life turn to the King Song's 16S series today. Excitedly, it lets you effortlessly navigate busy streets and simplifies your daily commute. Moreover, it is equipped with 5,500 watts powerful motor, peaking at 12,000 watts, hence provides idle speed that can reach up to 130 plus km/h, 45-degree uphill climbing. It helps you conquer the hills and flats with consistent speed and performance. Its safety features are reliable. You can ride confidently with bright LED lights and a robust braking system. Above all, with Apple Find My function, it always keeps eyes on your unicycle to keep it safe and helps you locate your e-unicycle anywhere. The overall rating for this brand is 5 stars. Don't forget to check the King Song official link in the description below to avail an exclusive offer. Brand, a new Begode Extreme that sets the benchmark. A brand that pushes the boundaries of performance, often offering high speed and high power options for experienced riders. It has power, off-road capabilities, cutting-edge tech, inventive designs, and many thrilling features. Begode Extreme is specially designed for off-road experiences. The torque from the C40 motor, 18-inch wheel, and 130mm travel air and oil suspension can provide the best experience on the most complex surfaces imaginable. The overall rating for this brand is 4 stars. Don't forget to check the description below to avail an exclusive offer. Next known brand. The veteran Pattern S revolutionized the EUC market with its perfect balance of power, performance, and portability. Featuring a 3000W motor, smart battery management system with real-time monitoring, and ultra-fast charging that reaches full capacity in under an hour, it delivers flagship performance in a compact package. Whether you're upgrading your current setup or entering the EUC world for the first time, the Pattern S offers unmatched versatility and reliability. The overall rating for this brand is 4.5 stars. Don't forget to check the description below to avail an exclusive offer. Now that you know the key factors in some of the top brands, it's time to narrow down your choices. Ask yourself, what will be my primary use case? What's my budget? And what features are most important to me? If you still have any confusion, drop a comment below and I will find that perfect smart cycle that seamlessly integrates into your lifestyle.
So there you have it.
Your ultimate guide to navigating the exciting world of electric unicycles. I hope this has given you the knowledge and confidence to find the perfect smart unicycle to elevate your commute. Enjoy your ride, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more cutting-edge tech reviews, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.